black or silver tungsten carbide wedding ring. This wedding ring is premium quality and a unique design. Due to it being tungsten, it's scratch resistant and it's hypoallergenic. This wedding ring is super comfortable due to the material that it's made of, and it's scratch resistant. I would highly recommend this wedding ring. The tungsten that it's made out of is super high quality, and like I said before, it's extremely comfortable wedding ring to wear. So if you're looking for a men's wedding ring, I'd highly recommend this one.